day?
I don't know what day it is anymore, any day. But I know we got up early for something today.
Check.
And, you know, no big deal. Just going to Utila! So Utila, we're going to second biggest reef in the world, and I'm gonna get my rescue diver certification, and we're gonna do fun dives, and we're gonna do snorkeling, and we brought the dome, and we brought the drone, and it is gonna be a fantastic experience in Utila, Honduras. And we figured out a way to get the dogs there. We figured out parking, and we're gonna tell you all about it. But if we don't leave right now, we're probably gonna miss the ferry.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay, and ¿dónde está Utila Dream?
Por aquí nos vamos, techo verde.
Okay, gracias.
Claro?
Claro. Gotta go to the office first. We gotta go take our vehicle registration, check in. There's the administrative office right there. And then...
Is this our boat?
No. That's a cargo boat. So we'll check in, and then we go park, and then we head off to the boat.
Alright. So we're going to Utila for 11 days, and we cannot ship the van, so we have to park it here on mainland. And it's really easy to do. You can park it right near embarkation point, which costs 150 limpera. But you have to prove that it's your car, so we have to show a registration documents.
Okay, so it looks like pre-check here, and then they finish it up over here at the counter. I don't know, they do a lot of weird stuff without telling me. I don't know, they wanted some other document for the vehicle, but I mean, all you get is a registration with the car. See? So she's coming to look at it, I guess, to verify it.
They just probably have different ones here, so they're confused.
Maybe, yeah.
Plus it's in English.
It's in English.
Well, yeah, for sure. Okay, we successfully allowed to park.
Okay. Now they gotta triple check.
Triple,
They like checking
quadruple.
everything. They like checking everything here.
We are ready to leave the van and check how many bags we have for 11 days. Huge backpack, purse, and 2 backpacks.
I'm pretty sure this is how much we carried around for like 2.5 years in Asia.
Yeah.
And we're just going for 11 days. Okay, so I was promised by Utila Dream that we could take the dogs and we could keep them on the deck. We didn't have to put them inside the kennels. And I have written documentation of that. We're gonna see how it pans out. Things change rapidly around here. Okay, looks like I'm on dog duty while Masha checks in, because I can't open PDFs on my phone for some reason. I gotta get it figured out. But we think this is the check-in area, and then baggage drop.
So we have to find the building with the signed passaportes and pay a fee, port fee, 25 lempiras. And about dogs, they say they have to put them in a cage.
No.
That's what they told me. And put them upstairs, like on the top of the ferry. But we cannot go there. Only dogs.
Who said that?
The guy who's working
Does he
there.
speak English?
Yeah,
He does?
he does.
Okay, so new port fee we had to pay, 25 lempira. Now we have mascota pet fee. So it's going to be about $7 for the both of the dogs. So all sorts of surprises. And they're saying now we have to put the dogs in kennels, which is not going to happen because we already talked to the front office and they said that we could take the dogs on deck. So there might be some heated words here shortly. Okay, dog fee looks a little sketch because they crossed out a word and wrote canino for canine. So I don't know, they charged 50 per dog, 100 plus 15% sort of tax, so 115 lempira. So what's that? That's like $4. It is. It's like $4.20. So I mean, not so bad, even if it is just another little tourist tax you got to pay. Really, the big question is whether they're going to try to put these dogs in kennels when they already told me that I could have them on the deck with me as long as we stayed outside. Ready for the boat ride? Not sure? Well, you're not going to get to see any drama. I'm sorry. They're letting us take the dogs up on the top deck right now.
And the main reason.
I guess the kennels are too small?
The kennels are too small, or dogs are too big. But
I mean, yeah.
it is
Same
what it
difference.
is.
Yeah. You hear that? You don't have to go in a cage.
Yoo-hoo, you're lucky.
All right, I already got island vibe music going on. I like it. So we're now on the ferry, Utila Dream. Cora, you need to stay, okay? Stay in the shade, sweetheart. And we have the dogs.
With us,
Yep.
not in the cage.
We just have to sit on the outside and on the top with
And on the last.
under no shade. Luckily, Masha brought all the sunscreen we need.
No, I didn't.
She brought no sunscreen. We're going to be total farmer tans by the time we arrive. Yeah, our arms, necks, legs. We're gonna look like we're from Missouri.
You can go under the bench.
Go lay with the dogs. Yeah, well,
Shade.
wouldn't be the first time. Not in a weird way.
Okay. It's gonna be what, 45 minutes?
Yeah, 45 minutes, and then we're getting picked up. We have shuttle service to our Coral View accommodation, which is right in the little peninsula bay of a major part of the coral reef and a small lagoon inside. So it's got a double-sided private beach.
Keep talking,
and then
keep talking.
right. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll see it soon enough.
Feels so true. You got me crazy like no one else.